Friends, Running Kimono here. We have a table here full of Office Max / Office Depot. I think it's the same company. I used an Ibotta gift card and paid $1 for all of this magic. A lot of the merchandise is anywhere between 75, I think it's 70 to 85% off, and this is some of the goodies that I got. Now, for the more experienced shoppers, if you want to log on to brickseek.com, hit Office Max or Depot, whatever it's called, and then punch in the UPCs. I will show you them here in a quick second. And as I said, I used an Ibotta gift card, a $50 Ibotta gift card to pay for my loot. These are all the UPCs of the 5 items that I found. You would just punch in these numbers along with your zip on that website, brickseek.com, and see what your store might have. Don't be shy to ask a staffer for a little bit of help. In the different sections, such as clearance, the regular aisles where they have all these like goodies like cleaner and stuff, and then they might actually have a shelf with it on clearance. So look high and low at the store. So the first item is this 4-pack of the Kleenex antivirus for $3. The original price point for this, I think it was like $10 or something, but who knows? It's maybe weird inflation costs. A little 4-pack. And here is the UPC. We're just going to chat about the items that I got for less experienced shoppers. So again, you would go to the site BrickSeek, type in this UPC along with your zip, and that's totally free to use the website BrickSeek. Now, just to show you, like I was talking about these shelves, a friend of mine in Lansing, she found the Big Mamas, which are the Dawn. It's just a liquid dish soap. I think the original price for these are like $28, and it's down to $6.93. That was really, really reduced. Unfortunately, at my store, they could not find them. So I don't know if they were a box in the back or what, but could not find those. So I was out of luck. No Dawn for me. But those are the beautiful cascades that I found for $1. So some stuff is tagged, some stuff is not. You're going to have to look around and root around the store and see what you can find. And don't be shy to ask an employee like, hey, could you price check this for me, to make sure you're on the same page of music. The next product is this Cascade Rinse, 155 loads for $1. So this stuff is like super uber expensive. My mom is always asking for this, so I got 3 today. Here is the UPC. So I don't know if the manufacturer is changing the size on this. So Office Depot or Office Max, they're changing things around at their store, and that's why it's so super uber cheap. 63 cascades for $4. And this is the one with Dawn. So if you look at the center, it's the fresh scent. And I found 3 of them for $4, so $12. Yes, I'm going to pay that all day and 10 times on Sunday. And here is the UPC for our little friend. The Dawn 75 count in Fresh Splash, that is the scent, $1. I think the retail for this was $6 and some change. Yeah, I was kind of lukewarm about paying $1 for wipes, but I needed to get to that $50 price point to use my gift card with Ibotta. So that's why I was like, I'll just throw these in. And here it is. Here's the UPC. Hopefully your store has them. And I know a lot of shoppers have been going super hard on this because, like, why wouldn't you? And then in the clearance section, I found these Quaker. It's a variety pack, 52 packs for $4. Make sure, though, that you look at the expiry date, because one of them was expiring, I think, in September. So unless you're eating this every single morning, I don't know what your consumption is of oatmeal, but if it has a quick expiry date, you might want to think twice, because $4 is a little bit of cake. So those were my finds, and I'm so excited with what I found today. Like, I've never found this many BrickSeek items, and it wasn't even tagged at my store, so I was like really, really over the moon happy. Now, before I skedaddle, I posted a video earlier today, kind of a story time, just of one of you guys sharing a story about feeling kind of like put in this weird place about having to give stuff over the 4th of July at a family gathering. Really good message in this video. And if you read the comments, a lot of you guys had really amazing like feedback, and you've also been in that situation. The comments in this video, I'm still reading through them. But yeah, just a lot of people also in the same situation where, you have people passive aggressively hinting at stuff that they want. And sometimes when you coupon a lot and you have a table of stuff, people want everything just because, and it's okay to say no. Okay, that's it for this video. Good luck at Office Depot or Office Max, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.